In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can log in into your Publix account. Now, this is a very simple process, so before moving on to that, just go down and hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's start. First, open up any browser that you want and then search for Publix Passport Employee Login. After you do that, you need to click on this link right here. But before you do that, if you're outside US, you need to turn on VPN because this link does not work outside VPN, outside USA. So the VPN I use is Urban Proxy VPN. You can use whatever VPN you normally use. After you do that, click on the link and then it should load up. Now here you can see you need to type in your email and then your password, and then you can log in. If you don't have an account, you can just sign up right here. Now here type in your password, email, and then just type in your password. After you've put in the correct credentials, you can also click on this checkbox that says keep me logged in, and then just log in and you're good to go. So that is how you log in into your Publix supermarket employee account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned. Bye bye.